In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide mouse cursor while typing in Windows 11. This should be a quick process video. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead to the search menu, type in mouse settings. Now, the first result, go ahead and open that up, and on the right side, just keep scrolling down under related settings, click additional mouse settings. Now this window will pop up for you. Go ahead, click on pointer options. And now just go ahead, click on hide pointer options while typing. Make sure it's checked. Click on apply. Then just click on OK, and that's how to do it. This is how to hide mouse cursor while typing in Windows 11. As always, thank you for watching.